You understand English, you understand YouTube videos, you also understand reading and listening English. But when it comes to speaking English, when you want to express feelings or things to say in English, suddenly your mind goes blank. It becomes empty. Your English goes away from your mind when you want to speak English. Exactly, I faced this problem. And the good news is, I solved this problem by applying three proven and easy techniques that everyone can apply. Before diving into these three techniques, I want to tell you why most English learners fail to speak English. It is not laziness. Believe me, I was super lazy. Consistency is the main reason why most English learners fail to learn English and speak English. When I became more consistent in listening, reading, and watching, also practicing speaking English, it becomes easy to me. Everything changed. Everything became easy to me. Here are the three techniques that instantly improved my speaking English. The first one, it is called immersion technique. I applied immersion technique. What is the immersion technique? Immersion technique means you surround yourself in English. That's it. You listen in English, you read in English, you watch videos or movies in English. Also, you practice or want to talk in English. In simple sentence, whatever you do it in English. It is called immersion. You immerse yourself, you surround yourself in English. Whatever you do it in English. This is called immersion technique. So what will happen when you apply immersion technique? What does immersion technique do? Immersion technique does one thing. It is your brain starts to think in English because you surround yourself in English. The second technique I applied, it is called imitation. What does imitation mean? Imitation means copying or mimicking the speech of an English speaker. Is that simple? It is very simple. You listen to a podcast or anyone who speaks English, then what you do is you imitate, you copy or mimic the speech of an English speaker, of this podcaster or a speaker, English speaker. This is called imitation, copying the speech of an English speaker. And it will help you to practice speaking English, to train your mouth to speak English. And third technique I applied, it is called TPR technique. TPR means total physical response. This technique is first introduced by Dr. James Asher in 1960s. This technique is invented for improving speaking English. So how to apply TPR technique? It is much more simple. It is so simple. How? You imitate an English speaker, then you express the meaning of what he is saying. That's it. For example, it is too hot out there. It is too hot out there. I'm sweating, literally sweating right now. It's sweating. So I expressed the meaning of condition right now there. It's called sweating, sweating with physical response, sweating. It's too hot, right? Understand? So apply these three easy and proven techniques to improve your speaking English. Just try these three techniques for 7 days. After 7 days, you can see the result. You can see the improvement in your speaking and your understanding of English. So try these techniques to improve your speaking English. So peace.